Gloria.
Now stop.
Yeah, now hold it.
are you?
Take it and hold it.
Okay, it's
And I'm
on?
yeah.
Okay, go ahead. All right.
Hi, this is
Sing and dance or do something.
Okay, we're
is
at
Martha Show,
TV.
Senior Network, and today is Juneteenth. That's June 19, 1865. The Emancipation Proclamation was signed by the U.S. Congress. Now, on yesterday, which was June the 18th, 2009, the U.S. Senate apologized for slavery. Now, they keep apologizing, but what we want is reparations. I am a member of the National Black United Front. I'm a member of CURE, the Caucasians United for Reparations. They said, we owe black people. And let me tell you, people, everybody that's white got not all black. My brother was blonde and blue eyes. So like the Caucasians say, we owe black people. Now, on change.org, I want people to sign my petitions. Reparations now. Reparations now. Right?
Okay, right. Thank you. Girl,